In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use APIs in Lovable, native, verified, and unverified integrations. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to connect an external service to your Lovable project using Supabase as the example. Along the way, I'll call out what native, verified, and unverified really mean so you can choose the right path for your setup. Start by opening Lovable and heading to the specific project where you want to implement an API. From the project dashboard, open Settings. Inside Settings, switch to the GitHub tab. Click Connect Project to link your repository. This connection helps Lovable manage code-backed changes and sets you up for verified integrations that rely on your repo context. If you're prompted for permissions on your Git hosting side, review and approve them with an account that has the right level of access. Next, move to Integrations and choose Connectors. From the list, select Supabase. This is a native connector, which means Lovable already understands how to communicate with Supabase and guides you through an authenticated, secure setup. Click Manage Connected Organizations. If you land back on a similar screen and see that option again, simply click it once more to proceed. Some workspaces display this confirmation twice. Now choose your organization in Supabase from the list, so Lovable knows which account to associate with this project. If you don't see the right one, click Add More Organizations to bring it in. You'll be redirected to Supabase to complete the handshake. Click Authorize Lovable and review the requested permissions. Authorization allows Lovable to discover related resources and manage the connection on your behalf. When that's done, you'll return to Lovable with your organization linked and ready to use. Nice work. That's the core setup. A quick recap on integration types so the terminology is crystal clear. Native integrations are built into Lovable and come with guided screens, sensible defaults, and reliable authentication flows, like the Supabase path you just followed. Verified integrations are those connected through an official OAuth or provider authorization, giving you a trusted, auditable link between services. Unverified integrations are custom APIs you bring yourself, useful for niche tools or internal services, but you'll manage credentials and security details manually. If something doesn't appear after authorization, refresh the integrations page, confirm you're in the correct Lovable project and cloud organization, and make sure your account has admin permissions. That's it. You've connected a native verified integration and you're ready to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.